Hey guys, I'm Yolanda Mabanga and you are tuned into another episode of UBUNTU.biz. Now, imagine the country is on a hard lockdown and some of your favorite things you can't get access to, like say pizza. Of course, this frustrates you, and as an avid pizza lover, you decide to go to the shops and get some ingredients together, start experimenting in your mother's kitchen and put together a pizza, and it actually turns out well. So being the rock star that you are, you upload it on social media. Next thing, community gets word of it. They come knocking at your door to place orders, and soon enough, you are selling almost 70 pizzas a week. Now, this is what happened to Thabani Dube, who is now notoriously known as the pizza guy in the neighborhood. And of course, I'm here today to find out more about that. So do join me. Thabani, thank you so much for taking the time to talk to me today. I need to get something straight from the get-go. This business did not come about because you wanted to start a pizza business. This business actually came about because you were simply craving pizza.
Kunjalo nje nkosazana yami kwaqala nje nami into eyasuka ngizwa ngayo la ngalela ukuthi awu njengoba kune lockdown njengoba kune lockdown izitolo eningi bezivaliwe, so ngase ngithi no, angeke ngenze something nami njengoba ngumuntu othanda ukudla kakhulu ezitolo lezi zangaphandle, futhi kakhulu ukudla bengithanda kakhulu bekuyiyona pizza. So benginokuvakashela izitolo ezahlukahlukene zawo ama-pizza lezi njengabo Debonairs, oPanarotis, oPizza Hut, izo izitolo bengithole ukuzihamba. So ukuthi ama kune lockdown, so ngase ngino cause nanokuthi ngumuntu othanda ukuba sekitchen, ngikhule vele uma esekitchen njalo mepheka ngizola eduze kwakhe, ngim-assista, ngimsiza lapho nalapho. So ngelinye lamaleli ngayo nje inyanga ya June ngase nje sathi no, cause bekuyi-lockdown, izitolo zivaliwe, angikwazi ukuthi ngiphume ngiyothenga lento engiyifunayo. So ngase ngiyaqala-ke ngiyayenza ipizza out of nowhere cause benginokuyibuka mangidla ukuthi okay, this is utamatisi, this is kanje ama-toppings, uflour-ke ngizowubona phambili. So ngase ngiyayenza eyokuqala ngiyenzela khona lapha ekhaya ukuthi sidle thina ekhaya. Nakhona ngangithi ngenze yodwa yami, of which uflour wangangivumela, so wasephuma ebamaningi, so wase isidliwa umndeni wonke-ke.
Okay.
Yeah, so this is how I started yonke le nto yama-pizza.
And the next thing, you put it on social media, and then everyone got word of it. And then people started wanting to order pizza. Where did you get your money to start making your first batch of pizzas for your customers?
On my savings, nganginawo 500 ekhadini lami ogcina nje owe-lockdown because into eningi zayivaliwe, so awukwazi ukuspenda nemisebenzi ivaliwe. So nganginawo 500 rand, of which le pizza ngangiyenzile ekhaya. Sinakho ukuthi thina siyathanda ukuthi whenever udla something engathi ungayishutha kuqala, and then you post it, uyiposte ukuthi ha, hey, injani lockdown eniphethe kahle, mina ngidla pizza lana yabo. So abantu base bayabuza ukuthi how uyithathephi ipizza, base ngiyachaza no, ngiyenzile. And then abantu base beqala so no, yazini mfethu sicela usenzele yabo, sizokusupport thina soyithenga. Now ngempela serious, but yes, soyithenga. Hayi, okay, no, it's fine. Ngase ngicela abantu which ngacela abantu abawu-20, I posted on WhatsApp and on Facebook. There's at least abantu abawu-20 engazi bazoconfirm ama-order abo. Ukuthi if ngiyenza ngingathengi izinto ngiwaste imali yami, of which ngithengela into abantu enginayo eshoyo ukuthi ngempela bazokusupport, bazoyithenga yini. So ngale 500 enganginawo ngahamba ngawuthenga lokho okuncane okwakushoda because ekhaya banginikeza no flour, nalokho kunye okwakushoda ongaphuma ngalo 500.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
So, of course, this business actually worked out in your favor because your mother is actually the only breadwinner in the family. So,
yes,
you were contributing to her.
Yes, yes. So, ekukhuleni vele sikhule la ekhaya kuma kuphela obe support esenzela zonke izinto esikoleni, bekumanje because ngikhuliswa yena mina. I wouldn't say mina, but thina sisonke singane zamasoba u3, so sikhuliswa yena sobathathu. To a point of which nami I've always wanted to do something ukuthi ngisupport nami ngifake isandla kulokho akwenzayo because esibadala, and sibadala manje in such a way ukuthi asakwazi ukuthi singaqhubeka siloke sasihamba siya kuma sonke siya kuma futhi ngabe uma othi uthina yabo, and uma usemdala to a point ukuthi manje she's not supposed to be working yabo, futhi ngabe thina manje esesisebenza and sinakekela yena.
How many are you guys siblings?
my last point is about 3 kuma.
Oh, okay. Yes. Okay. All right. Let's talk about supplies. Supplies for your pizza. Where do you have to travel to go get them? Do you get your supplies in the neighborhood? How far do you have to go to get supplies for?
I travel to get there because okwamanje angakabe financial stable kahle into a point of which I can order in bulk ngale ndlela leyo ukuthi ama suppliers ami adinga ngayo, because I can't just order one box of cheese and then they have it delivered like me. So they need to see stock sibe high, number of stock.
Yeah.
So in terms of my suppliers okwamanje ngithatha abafowethu laba abangisiza ngeemoto za transport yabo ukuze ngihambe ngiye khona ngiyolanda stock leso sokusuke ngisidinga.
And as much as your business is flourishing right now, you're still very much constrained because you're only using one oven.
Yes, okwamanje sasebenzisa u-oven owodwa, of which now is not doing much because wenza kancane in terms of ukupheka amapizza, because ngifaka ipizza eyodwa ngesikhathi esisodwa. So angikwazi ukuthi ngiserve abantu aba more than 2 or more than 3 at the same time. So njengamanje I'm only serving one customer at a time. So u-oven now lo ngiwusebenzisayo is oven engizakhele mina wona ngesizathu soku.
Wait, you built your own oven?
Yes. Since what decided to move out ekhaya. Me move out because ngasebenzisa istove sakhe which is 4 plates low defy. So I move now. So I had to start from scratch ke manje ukuthi ngenze ke something owami ke manje u-oven, because I had experience yokuthi no u-oven usebenza kanje and uyusebenzisa i-element unama-element ngaphakathi which is just angaphakathi kwi-container le yakhona esuke yakhiwe ya u-oven. So I said no, ngeke ngihlule ukwenza, ngumuntu othanda uku-experiment izinto eziningi, ngiyathanda nokuzenzela isikhathi esiningi because ngumuntu wezandla, yabo, because profession yami ithi ngiciko ngikhomba kwi-art. So na kwi-art ngikwenza konke nje kuningi.
Are you hearing this? Like, this guy made his own oven. Wow. Okay. My final question, I mean, you clearly are not limited by anything.
Yes.
You make pizzas yourself. Your mother took an oven away from you. You made your own oven. You are like a prime example of what an entrepreneur is supposed to be. So what words of wisdom do you have for entrepreneurs that are currently watching you right now?
I wouldn't say much, but what I can say is that if something is important to you, that's what I always tell everyone. If something is important to you, you'll always find a way. But if something is not important to you, then you will always come up with an excuse. So the fact that uma wahamba no-oven wakhe didn't stop me ukuthi ngenzo wami u-oven ngiqhubeka ngisebenze, because mina ngakubona ukubaluleka kwebhizinisi lami lokuthi no le business liyangisebenzela liyangisiza futhi mina, yabo, and abantu bayethanda into engiyenzayo, bangisupport ngayo yonke indlela. So ngase ngikubona ukubaluleka mina kuqala, and then I said no, I have to do something ngalento le, yabo, then ukuthi ngihlale ngithi mina angikwazi ukwenza pizza just because I don't have oven, yabo. So I had to be creative and do something about inkinga yami, then ukuthi ngihlale ngithi hayi ngizolinda ngize ngithenga u-oven, yabo. So yeah.
Thabani, thank you so much for taking the time to talk to me today. I wish you all the best for the pizza business. Oh, the pizza guy. These millennials. I mean, one moment a person is craving pizza and then the next they're building an oven just to keep their business going. Can you imagine? But clearly it's possible because Thabani, the pizza guy, was able to do it. So why can't you start a business for yourself? I mean, it doesn't even necessarily have to be pizza or food for that matter. You can, figure out a way to build a fan for this heat that we have out here in the world. Otherwise, for me, that's all we have for this episode of UBUNTU.biz. If you know of any entrepreneurs, you can let me know in the comments below, or you can find me on Instagram and on Facebook as Yolanda Mabanga. But until then, from me, it is a goodbye. So delicious.